All right, guys, we have basically everything we need at this table. So here's the new motherboard that came in that supports Intel. Delta's holding it right now. It's David, by the way, Delta. This is the package for the 9700K Intel. This is, oh yeah, it's the old motherboard. We're gonna pack it in there. Then we're gonna return. Oh shit, almost dropped my phone. Also, Aaron's on his way. So he should be here like mid-video probably. But yeah, we gotta take everything out because we gotta return this motherboard. Put the new motherboard in and the new processor. Nothing too special, we're just gonna take it apart. So I will bring you guys back. We got the board out clean. It's right there, the AMD motherboard with the AMD stock fan and the CPU. So now we're gonna open up, where is it? I think it's sitting on this. We're gonna open this up and put it in.
Everything up but one switch.
We're putting the motherboard in the processor.
Motherboard.
Motherboard and
The
the processor.
processor and the motherboard.
All right, boys, I fully packed up our old motherboard. Here's the new one out, and Aaron's putting in the Intel 9700K in right now. $400, no biggie, don't fuck up. Oh my God. Let's see, what's after the CPU? Oh, should we fucking put the cooler thing in?
Put the cooler on first.
Yeah, you can do that.
Because if the RAM's sticking out, it's gonna be hard to put in. Microwave.
Crayons. We just got all these in. Here. What? Oh yeah, those cookies.
Right now, we gotta. We're gonna fry his motherboard.
Great. Dude, my hand looks so fat on camera. What the fuck?
Mine looks really skinny. I am really skinny.
Same. Just skinny ass wrist.
Let's hold hand, guys.
You got a cap?
Aaron finally got the heatsink in.
No, not me.
Well, Aaron and
That boy right there.
Aaron and David, aka Delta, and then he just attached the fan to it, to the heatsink.
Gotta move that.
We're gonna have to move that because it's right next to the RAM, right? Even though we're gonna use the second and the fourth slot.
I mean, we can. I don't.
Look at this dirty fucking whore. Has to be chilling with the boys. Can't be by herself. Fat ass. All right, boys. So after very, very long time, we just put the SSD in. The cooler for the CPU is done. It's ready. Honestly, we just need to put the graphics card in and then cable management. All right, boys, just got the card in. RTX 2080 Ti. Let's go. All right, boys. Look at that fat 300 FPS. Look at that shit. Fucking take my dick out and come on this monitor. So here's the view of the PC on the bottom, but I might move it up here so we can see all the fucking RGB and shit, cause it's kind of. All right, guys, it is currently the next day. As you can see, poor Delta, aka David, he was sleeping in this room, but I took him to the airport last night, or this morning, I guess, at like 5 a.m. New PC's ready to go. It's much quieter than my AMD build. Holy shit, it's so much better. With the Hyper 212 EVO or whatever it's called, the cooler for the CPU, the heatsink and the fan. I got my 2 extra fans there. I got one up there, and then the case fan right there behind. It's really fucking nice, boys. I'm getting like 300 to 270 FPS on Overwatch, which is pretty big. That's pretty much it. I don't know how this video is gonna go, so I'm just gonna record this as an outro maybe. Thank you guys for watching. It was a different kind of video. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. So I'm gonna edit this now. Sorry, I got the morning crust going on. Guys, as you can see here, it's running pretty smooth. We're finally on the new PC. I'm so fucking hyped to be getting videos out for you guys, especially with face cam. Pretty big FPS boost, honestly. I'm just fucking with you guys, obviously. So yeah, not much of a difference. I mean, I feel like I got this FPS on my last PC when I wasn't recording, but I mean, I am recording now, so, which is pretty nice. It feels really nice. We can just hop into a fight really quick. Yeah, it feels really fucking good, guys. I'm actually really excited. Like, no troll, like all troll aside, I'm actually really excited to start banging out videos for you guys. You know, bang bus type shit. Alright, bro, you gonna let me combo you or what? Making me look bad. Thank you, brother. It's the pack. It's the pack. We can just blame it on the pack. We'll be fine. I didn't feel like botting. That guy was probably gonna drag that fight out all the way. All right. Well, that is the entire video, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you have my notifications on, and make sure you're subbed. And yeah, I love you.